Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 21 of class 5 EVS and the name of the chapter is growing food. Long ago human beings did not know how to grow food. They collected fruits and nuts from trees and killed wild animals for their food. Then slowly they learned to grow food. Early humans beings learned to grow crops such as rice, wheat, vegetables, pulses and fruits. The growing of crops came to be known as cultivation. Okay, so the process of the farming that is used by the farmers is known as cultivation. Okay, now gradually after some time they also learned to tame or domesticate animals for the transportation, for the milk and their products. Okay, human beings were not nomads or food gatherers anymore. They had become food producers. Okay, so earlier the human beings were nomads. They used to move from one place to another in search of food, okay, in search of water and animals in the earlier days. But after some time they started living at a fixed place and they started cultivating the food grains, okay, and they finally become producers. So here we are going to discuss some tools that are required for the process of cultivation. So human needed different kinds of tools for hunting and growing crops. At first they used tools made up of stones and bones. Gradually they began rubbing stones together to sharpen their edges. Earlier the stone tool looked like this, okay. So the new tools were pointed, sharp and smaller in size. After many years, tools such as spades, shovels and sickles were developed to help dig, sow and till the crops. Slowly they started using animals such as oxen to plow fields. Okay, so earlier human beings used to do all the activities with their hands only, but gradually when time moved, they learned that they can use even animals for the process of cultivation, and they started doing so with the help of buffaloes, with the help of horses, donkeys and oxen. Okay, now here we are going to discuss various tools that are used in farming. So first one is plow. The most important tool for the farmer is the plow, which he uses to prepare the field before sowing seeds. A plow has a cutting blade used to loosen the soil in the field. The blade is fixed in a wooden frame that can be pulled by the farmer himself or by oxen or the tractors. Okay, so these plow, the wooden plow that was pulled by the oxen and by this human beings or the men was the earlier tool. Nowadays only tractors are used, okay, for the process of plowing. Now, tractors are used by farmers to cultivate huge plots of land. It runs on diesel or petrol. Nowadays, you must have seen tractors plowing the fields. A farmer uses a trowel and a spade to dig holes in the soil to plant the seeds. For smoothing the soil, a farmer either uses a steel rake or even the tractor. You may see the picture of plow here. Okay. Now, once the crops are ready, they have to be harvested. Then that is cut and removed from the fields. Farmers use a knife-like instrument known as sickle to harvest crops. You can see picture here. Even today, agriculture remains a main source of livelihood for a large production. In modern times, it has become a much more organized and well-planned occupation. Farmers have started using many efficient tools and equipments, reducing their time and effort. As we have discussed about tractors, now farmers use many tools that make their farming process easy. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next video we will discuss more about these crops. Thank you so much.